Okay, hi, I'm Alice. I'm going to be your physio today. I'm going to have a quick listen to your chest using the stethoscope, just check if it sounds okay. Does that sound alright? Okay, so I'm just going to ask if you could breathe through your mouth and if you could just breathe in and out a little harder than normal. Okay, so if you could just breathe in for me, in and out, okay, and 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 in and out, okay, in, out, in, out, in, out, in and out, in and out, in and out, and in and out. Okay, thank you.